Hello. Hi everyone, welcome to Alena's Intense Memories channel, and today second wedding album wants to share with you. So that last one was in blue, this one is in pink. On cover I just put this couple, this butterfly. I little bit add that flowers and a lot of fussy cutting, of course. Spine look very simple, and back have that pocket when can we put some message. Let's see what is inside. When I open cover, on the back is again like in blue album some waterfall. I just fussy cut butterflies and that heart. Here is pocket with photo mat. Next page has that flap, and when I open the page, here is place for photo for him and for her, and closure is by magnet. Next page I have the belly band, and again I did that place for 13 photos for guests. And all is in that pocket, so we can write names, guests, also here, and everything goes inside the pocket. I think it's very good idea to have place for our guest on wedding ceremony. Okay, next page. Here is when they share the rings. Here is just teeny mini tag, and also is place for photos here. Next page is about eating and cheers for new couple. And when I open this, we have here photos, a place for 5 photos, and my nails are okay. Here couple cut they first wedding cake. Again is photos for 5 photos. Okay, next page is just for through the wedding bouquet for photo. Maybe first dancing with father and for first marriage couple. And here what we have here is a bigger envelope where they can few photos. Also photos can come here. Closure is by magnet. And here is a 3D envelope where they can put all photos they want to save. So that is the pink wedding album. I believe make happiness for couple who take this mini album, and your comment really support my imagination, and I show you next video next time. Thank you very much for visit my channel. Bye bye guys.